roasting and sweating and pecking. Oh. Shh. No. Dinna let on we're here. Shh. Hiya. Fid like. Oh. My name's Andrew Smith. I'm fae Old Meldrum in Aberdeenshire. Where are you fae? Oh, rare. And fit's your name? Oh, that's half a bonny art. Well, you see, the thing is, I've just ran away for this firm. Never got my work on. It was awful out in the sun all day. My skin's on fire, man. And I've been on a ship for months, the Frere. I've been cowking over the side all the time, and look at the state of my clothes and my face. I'm just a sotter, I am. Oh, me, dearie me. It's all my own fault, really, you ken. I got all mixed up in this Jacobite thing a couple of years ago, ken. Fought wi' Bonnie Prince Charlie, and I got caught and I got sent down to prison down in Tilbury, London. I was sent Frere on that boat just a few months past, and things just been upside down ever since. Even a boat a couple of times. And only why I'm here now, and that's me run away, and oh sorry, I just realised you're maybe near for sure if I'm speaking. It's called the door at Ken. Aye, well, I can teach you a couple of words if you want. There's clipe, that's when you tell on somebody, and there's sotter, I said it earlier, that's when you're a mess, or when your bedroom's a mess. I'm sure we've all been here and nae tidied up after ourselves. And well, another word I like that I'm feeling right now is fash. I'm right fashed, I'm right worked up and stressed out, and it also means fash, like fish, like fashion. And well, you ken, my father was a fasherman, and I've got a poem about him actually. Let me perform it till you. My father does not fash himself wi' fits fashionable and flash, for half his life is spent out at sea catching fash. My father does not fash himself wi' showing off his cash, for he's seen her Mac Merciller out at sea catching fash. My father does not fash himself wi' going out on the lash, for he'd rather be supping tea out at sea catching fash. My father does not fash himself wi' starting a stramash, for he gets plenty peace out at sea catching fash. As for my mither, that's quite another story altogether. Right, I'll let you tell you, I've heard some claik about here recently, some gossip, and I've been hearing about us redlegs that bide in Scotland. A Scotland on Barbados? What's all that about? And well, apparently they're red because, well, they've literally turned red in the sun, and I'll be the same nae long, ken. And well, I've also heard about us Quine. She came over here on a boat because the love of her life, well, it's a shame. It's a right sad story, really. He passed away, and she went to the kirk every day for 12 months, putting flowers down on his grave. She was like Greyfriars Bobby or in Edinburgh, ken. And well, een day his ghost, he got up out the grave and he said, "Come on, Quine, stop worrying about Mag, move on with your life. Get on a boat and head off into the sunset." So that's what she did, and she's over here apparently, and I'm just wondering, do you ken what happened to her next when she got here? If you do, could you write it down for me? Write down a wee story and send it to me. And well, somebody told me that she's ended up at Gettin's house. I reckon what Gettin is, but apparently his house is half a bonny, Of a colourful with bonny patterns and bracht. You couldn't miss it apparently, but I can't fit white again. I could do with a map or kind of a picture of what the house looks like so I can fit in it is when I see it. So if you could do it for me now, it'd be awful handy, Ken. Recht handy. Well, I won't bother you any more for now, but anything you can do to help me would be muckle appreciated. Anyway, take care now and make sure you don't burn in the sun. It's just plotting out here. I'll see you later on now. Ta-ra, bye-bye, ta-ra, ta-ra.